Best new coupes of 2022. The distinctive coupe body style suggests a commitment to stylishness and sportiness over practicality. We're talking real coupes here, not the bulky SUV impersonators or so-called four-door coupes. The best coupes, as in two-door, sloped-back cars, offset their lack of backseat space and cargo room with fun-to-drive characteristics as well as luxurious accommodations. Toyota GR86. The second-generation Toyota GR86 is due for the 2022 model year, and although it's completely new, it follows the same rear-wheel drive formula as the first-gen car. Developed again in conjunction with the Subaru BRZ, the 2022 GR86 will be powered by a horizontally opposed four-cylinder engine and a standard 6-speed manual transmission. This time around, Toyota has addressed our principal complaint with the last generation and has given the GR86 more horsepower for 2022. Subaru BRZ. Prioritizing affordability and lightweight agility over high horsepower and high-priced exclusivity, the 2022 Subaru BRZ continues to be a pure sports car for everyone. The completely redesigned rear-drive only coupe remains a unique entry in Subaru's otherwise all-wheel drive lineup. The same is in store for its mechanical twin, the Toyota 86. With a 228 horsepower naturally aspirated flat-4, the BRZ is more powerful than before, which at least partly addresses one of our biggest complaints. Toyota Supra. It's been a few years since the Supra rejoined the Toyota lineup after a long hiatus, but despite our growing familiarity, the 2022 Supra remains one of our favorite sports cars. In fact, it's on our 2022 Editor's Choice list. Although it was developed and is built alongside the BMW Z4 convertible, the Supra Coupe offers a personality that's unique from its Bavarian brother, even though the two cars share the same powertrains. The latter include two turbocharged engines, a standard 255 horsepower 2.0-liter four-cylinder and an optional 382 horsepower 3.0-liter inline-six. Ford Mustang. Whether it's used for top-down trips on the Sunset Strip or track time at Lime Rock, there's a 2022 Ford Mustang for most every lifestyle and personality. With countless appearance packages, notable performance-enhancing options, and coupe or convertible body styles, it can be highly personalized. Power comes from a punchy turbo 4 or a mighty 5.0-liter V8, both engines feed the rear wheels through an engaging manual transmission or a terrific 10-speed automatic. While all models are fun to drive, Ford offers myriad packages to up the excitement, culminating in the track-focused Mach 1. Even the most aggressive Mustang, excluding the 760 horsepower Shelby GT500, can be driven every day, and it has a roomier backseat and better outward visibility than the Chevy Camaro. BMW 2 Series. With the 2022 BMW 2 Series, the German automaker makes its entry-level, two-door car even more satisfying. We even named it to our Editor's Choice list. It's still available with rear or all-wheel drive, and its turbocharged engine options include a 255 horsepower four-cylinder, 230i models, and a 382 horsepower straight-six M240i. A convertible body style and a manual transmission option are both gone. Still, the new 2 Coupe is just as entertaining to drive and even more poised on the road. BMW M4. The 2022 BMW M4 is just as exciting as its M3 sedan sibling, but only it's available as a coupe or soft-top convertible. Both make our Editor's Choice list. The base hardtop model comes exclusively with rear-wheel drive, a satisfying manual transmission, and a thrilling 473 horsepower twin-turbo straight-six. The competition variant gets an enhanced 503 horsepower engine, a snappy automatic gearbox, and unique chassis tuning that should culminate in quicker lap times at the local racetrack.